If you want people to like you, if you want to build real, lasting friendships, if you want to help others while also moving your life forward, there are 4 simple principles you must live by every single day when dealing with people. These principles will not only make people like you, it will ingrain you in the heart of people and they will never forget you. 1. Be genuinely interested in others. Not because you want something from them, but because you value them as human beings. Most people walk into a room thinking, how do I impress everyone? But only a few people walk in with a different mindset of, who can I understand? Always ask questions. Listen to others with full attention. Remember the little details, because the deepest human need is not to be admired, but to be seen and understood. People may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. 2. Give sincere compliments, not empty flattery. Flattery is manipulation and people can feel it. But sincerity, on the other hand, builds real trust. Do not praise what is obvious. Notice what others overlook. Things like effort, growth, consistency, character. These are real values. Always compliment and appreciate them. Don't just go about flattering people. You will get the opposite results if you do. According to Alvaro Obregón, don't fear enemies who attack you. Fear friends who only flatter you. Real respect comes from honesty, not exaggeration. When your words are real, they carry a different weight and people can sense it. 3. Be deeply appreciative, even for the smallest things. Gratitude is real and that is why it always remains evergreen. A simple thank you is good, but a thoughtful, specific appreciation is very powerful. Acknowledge the effort behind the action. Let people feel that what they did truly mattered. Because in a world where many feel overlooked, the person who makes others feel valued will never be forgotten. 4. Never criticize others harshly. Always correct with respect and empathy. Criticism puts people on the defensive, but understanding opens them up. This is not to say that you should become a people pleaser. It means that you should always choose wisdom over ego. Correct people privately. Speak calmly. Focus on growth. Don't dwell on their mistakes. And don't forget that you can win an argument and still lose the person. So instead of tearing people down, guide them upward. Because at the end of the day, whether you like it or not, how you relate with people around you will determine how happy you will become and how far you will go in this life. Opportunities come through people. Respect is built through people. And a meaningful life is lived with people. If you master these 4 principles, you will never have to chase connections. They will always come to you naturally.